Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove, clean or replace the filter on your Philips HomeRun 5000 series. In order to do it, find the water tank on the back of your robot, press on this button right here, then push it out.
Dustbin and water tank removed.
Now, as you can see, we have the water tank and dustbin combined, and now you'll need to open the dustbin. To do it, make sure you're doing it over a trash can because the dust may immediately fall out. Just press on this button right here to open the dustbin. Now, remove the dust from here. Make sure to do that preferably after each cleaning session. Sometimes, like after every odor, depends on how much dust you have, but preferably do this after each cleaning session. Unless you have the station, the bigger charging station, that has a dust bag in it, then it'll do it automatically. Now let's remove the filter, and to do it, just pull it. You can see it requires some force. And now here's the filter. Remove it from the from this plastic part. Then clean it. You can clean it with a brush by sweeping it. But preferably you will want to clean it with water. You can do that, but make sure to let it dry for at least 24 hours before you reinstall it to prevent mold. Now, once it's done, just push it back in. The orientation doesn't matter, but make sure you have the tape sticking out, so not this way, so it's easier to remove it later. Now put it back into the dustbin, like so. Just push it in, close the dustbin, and put the dustbin and water tank into the robot. Just push it in until it clicks, and it'll tell you that it's installed. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.